Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this one, we're going to talk about a project that goes by the name of Ozak AI. They're currently in their pre-sale stage and the pre-sale is going very successful. They have raised more than $4.3 million as of this moment, which really means that investors are not just putting their interest in this project, but they are putting their money in it. And in this video, we're going to find out why that is, what Ozak is doing that is leading all these, all this investment into the pre-sale, and we'll see if it is a good opportunity for us or not. So that is what we're going to find out in this video. Make sure that you watch till the end. As always, nothing here is a financial or an investment advice, so always do your own investigation and research. And like always, never invest more than what you can afford to lose. Now, with that being said, we're going to get into the details. This is the official website of Ozak. We're greeted with the pre-sale itself that is currently live, and we have the phase 6. Now, what's to note here is that the current price is $0.012. In the next phase, it is going to be $0.014, and the target price is $1. And if you take the difference between what the price we're being offered at the moment and what the listing price is going to be, or the target price that is going to be, there is a huge difference. And if that is achieved, we're looking at maybe 10x, somewhere between 10 to 100x, which is something that we should not miss. So that is why we are studying Ozak AI in this, and what are they actually building. The AI part gives it away in the start that it has something to do with artificial intelligence. And if you take a look at the proper definition or introduction of Ozak AI, it says this is a next generation AI powered financial technology that leverages machine learning, decentralized networks, and real-time data analytics to help investors make smarter decisions. So what they have is a platform called Predictive AI, in which we have the Ozak AI agents that deliver real-time AI-driven insights, which uses models like neural networks or linear regression to generate accurate market forecast and risk assessments. So essentially what traders, or what we do manually, is we take a look at charts, we take a look at the the sentiment on social media, we take a look at different indicators, the data that the indicators provide us, and with all that information we use our standard definitions that we already have to make predictions, and based on those predictions we make trades. But artificial intelligence, if it's given with the if it's given with the data, it already has all those standard definitions. So if it's given with that data, it can make predictions on what's going to happen, which may be more accurate in theory than what the traders will be able to do. And that is what we have in this project. That is what Ozak AI is offering. Now, I do believe that the audits have a lot to do with the amount of investments that we're getting, because we have seen a lot of projects offering that they're building this and that, but since people are scared that this may not be a legitimate project, they are afraid to put their money down. But since they have gotten their audit, especially from Certic, that develops a trust in the platform, in the token, and what they're building, and essentially in the token, and that's why I think most of these investments are coming in. So that is something good that they're focusing on security, safety, and in gaining trust of the users, potential holders, by getting their, I would say this is probably their first audit, and they have started working on problems that were pointed out in the audit. So they're fixing those, they're resolving those issues to make the project, to make the token, to make the whole platform more and more secure. The community on Telegram, on Twitter, it has been growing fast, which also is a good sign that more people are getting interested in this project, and this is not some of those ordinary projects that comes out of nowhere, it starts a pre-sale and then runs off with the money. But you still have to be cautious, you still have to do your own investigation and research and keep yourself up to date so you don't get into those troubles. So when you open up the website, which I'm going to give you guys the link to, this is the page that you'll see. Currently we are in the pre-sale, and you can see that they have raised more than $4.3 million. The current price in this stage is $0.012. The price in the next stage, it is going to be $0.014, so slightly higher than the price that we are getting at the moment. And the target price is $1. I'm not sure what the listing price is, but this is the target that they are going for. Now, of course, obviously it relies heavily on how the market performs, how much of the product that they develop, and if they continue this momentum. So for those who are interested in participating in the pre-sale, just simply connect your wallet here. You can use Ethereum, USDT, USDC. If you have a referral code, you can put it down here and you're going to go ahead with the transaction and you will purchase the tokens. Now, what I like about this here is that there are use cases and utility for the OZ token. That is the ticker for it, which I'm going to show you guys right here. So this is the token utilities that we have. So first of all, exclusive AI agent access. You can activate and use prediction agents for various financial markets, not just for crypto. It's also for Forex, also for equities. And you will be using the OZ token to activate these agents. You can access premium data streams from the Ozak Streaming Network or OSN through fee that is paid in the OZ token. And performance-based rewards, you can earn OZ for high accuracy models and signals benchmarked by system performance. So these are the places at the moment where it is planned that the OZ token will be utilized. The more the token is utilized, the more demand that it has, and that equals more value. So this is the project that we have. Pretty straightforward. It's not necessary to go into much more details on the predictive AI platform or the OSN and whatnot. But what we have to understand here is that the pre-sale is going as a huge success. So far, as we have seen, in just 6 phases, they have raised $4.3 million. So definitely they will be hitting a higher target if they continue with this momentum. They have already gotten the audits, so that ensures that they are safe, secure. They're emphasizing on the security. And moving ahead, if they hit the target price, you can see the difference there is between the current price and the target price. And if that actually happens, how much return we will be able to get from that, which I think if that happens, it's a very good opportunity. It's something that is worth taking a risk on. I'm not saying that you should take the risk, but I'm just saying that it seems like a good opportunity. Rest is completely up to you. I'll give you guys the links that will be in the description. Make sure that you check those out and let me know what you guys think about this project. And I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.